Hello, today we will guide you through how to get pending order in Exness and mobile. To begin, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you are on the main screen before moving to the next step. If the app takes a moment to connect or refresh market data, just give it a few seconds so everything appears correctly. Once you are inside the app, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can view trading instruments, check price movement, and place different types of orders. If you are new to the layout, the bottom navigation bar helps you move between the main sections quickly, and Trade is the area you will need for this process. After that, tap on the sample symbol. This is the trading instrument you want to work with. In practice, this could be any asset available in your account, such as a currency pair, commodity, or another market symbol. Selecting the symbol opens the order interface for that specific market, which is the starting point for placing a pending order. Next, tap on Sell or Buy. At this stage, you are not necessarily executing the trade immediately. Instead, this action opens the trading panel, where you can access more order options. Choose the side that matches your intended trade direction so you can continue setting up the order properly. When the trading window appears, tap on the settings icon on the left side. This icon gives you access to additional order configuration options. It is an important step because pending orders are usually selected from this menu rather than from the default instant execution screen. From there, tap Beyond Limit. This changes the order type from a regular market order to a pending order type. A limit order allows you to set a specific price where you want the trade to be triggered instead of entering the market immediately. This can be useful when you want to wait for a better entry price. Now enter the sample details for the pending buy or sell order, then tap on Confirmation. Carefully review the price and any other fields shown on the screen before confirming, since the order will be placed based on the values you enter. Once you confirm, your pending order should be submitted and saved in the app. That's the full process for getting a pending order set up in Exness on mobile. Take your time with each screen, especially when entering order details, to help avoid mistakes. With a little practice, this becomes a quick and simple task directly from your phone.